So on day two, I spoke about um, how we should always be realistic with starting something new. So today I want to talk about why it's important, or why discipline is most important when you compare it to motivation. Why discipline is more important than motivation? Well, motivation can only get you so far. Let me put it this way. I want you to imagine a rocket. Okay. Now, before a rocket is able to escape the Earth's atmosphere, the rocket is going to burn gallons, millions, if I'm not mistaken, the thousands, let's use the word thousands or millions of gallons of whatever fuel it uses. It keeps on burning until it gets out of the Earth's stratosphere. And then that engine that was propelling it will detach and it continues moving. Now, I want to use that as an example to illustrate motivation. Motivation is like that thing that boosts you, it just gives you the head start. You keep on going at some point. But then it gets to a particular point whereby you will no longer be motivated. You no longer have that energy to keep going. You no longer are in that mood. You're not active. Your adrenaline is at an all-time low. You're not happy. Something bad happens. But yet you still have to do it. Now, like that rocket that keeps on going into space using gravity to propel itself down to whatever destination it's going to, is the same way discipline will help you get to your destination. So if you keep on relying on motivation, you're not going to go far. In fact, you will get to a point and you will just drop down. But if you prioritize discipline, whether you are happy or you are sad, whether you are tired or you are vibrant, whether you are everything is going well in your life or not, discipline is the one thing that's going to keep you going through whatever weather and storm you might endure. So yeah, discipline is more important than motivation. Motivation is good. It gives you the drive. It gives you that push. All right. You need motivation to push, but you must start with motivation. And before discipline exists, there must be something motivating your interest or whatever you set your mind to. So that's what we have for today, being day 3 of 140 days with Jonathan Nzebuka. I look forward to sharing more with you. See you on day 4.